from the USB. Vanish when I close, tails ghost mode life. Leave no digital clothes, run clean, shut down. Memories froze, you search for my traces, nothing shows. Tails on the stick, I don't need install. Live system loaded, no hard drive call. Traffic through Tor Browser, routes twist slow. Different path, every hop where the packets go. Session amnesic, power cut clean. History gone like I was never seen. Need file save, encrypted vault in the zone. Persistent storage lock with a password of your own. Don't get fooled, this ain't magic disguise. Log in to real Gmail, you reveal your eyes. Bad OPSEC habits make privacy drown. One careless click and bring ghost mode down. Host machine dirty, firmware might bite. Hardware level problems still ruin the night. Download fake files, run malware too. No OS can save reckless moves from you. Researchers use it when privacy's key. Clean temp workspace, safe for anonymity. Journalists, analysts, source protection play. Boot it, work smart, then fade away. Need quick Linux tools on a random machine. USB in. Now the toolkit's seen when the mission is privacy low, trace route. Tail steps in when trust steps out. Get it official, verify the file. Fake downloads, catch the careless style. Keep it updated, patch what's old. Strong passphrase only for the vault you hold. Separate identities, don't mix both lanes. Personal life and ghost life stay in chains. Tool gives cover, habits decide. Discipline is the real thing, keeping you hidden inside. Tails don't make you invisible. It rewards the user who moves invisible.